Now that we have some vocabulary, let's begin working with the order of operations. Here's the order of operations. For those of you that have only learned something like PEMDAS, that was a good start. But as the semester goes on, our expressions are going to become more complicated and PEMDAS isn't going to work anymore. So we'll begin right at the start with the true order of operations. This has a little more firepower than we need currently, but we'll grow into it slowly over the semester. Now, the way to work with this is we start at the top and work our way to the bottom. And for this first set of problems, we're just going to be concentrating on steps 2 and 3. So we're going to start with step 2, which is about multiplying and dividing. Now, neither multiplying or dividing are more important. So they're equal in importance, and the way you decide how to do them, if you have more than one in an expression, is you work them left to right as you come to them. And once all your multiplications and divisions are finished, then you move on to adding and subtracting. Again, neither one is more important, so you do them left to right. Now, the way I'm going to have you work on these is I'd like you to first count the number of operators, then discuss the order you're going to do the operators in, and then finally simplify the expression doing one operator per line. If I was going to do this problem, for instance, I would notice I have 1, 2, 3 operators. I have 2 additions and a multiplication. The right order would be to multiply first and then to add left to right. So 2 times 3 gives me 6, and then 1 plus 6 gives me 7, and then 7 plus 4 gives me 11. And of course you could just go 1 plus 6 is 7, and then 7 plus 4 is 11, and go right to the end. I tend to put in every single step so that I don't lose anybody. Here's your first problem. Please pause the video and work it out yourself. This time we have 1, 2, 3, 4 operators. We have a division, an addition, a multiplication, and a subtraction. The divisions and multiplications have to be done first left to right, so we'll divide first and multiply second. That'll leave us with additions and subtractions. They're also done left to right, so we'll add first and subtract second. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. And then 9 minus 6 will be 3. Here's another. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 operators. We would have to divide first and multiply second, and then subtract third and add last. Again, addition and subtraction are equal in importance, and so we do them left to right, just like multiplication and division are equal in importance, so we do them left to right. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 14 minus 10 is also 4. And then 4 plus 4 would be 8. Here's your next problem. This time we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 operators. Sometimes people aren't sure if this division's an operator, but it is. I have division and multiplication. They need to be done left to right, so I'm going to divide first and multiply second. That'll leave me with additions and subtractions, and so I'll do them left to right. I'll subtract and then add. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then 3 plus 1 is 4. Well, that will conclude this first video on the order of operations. In the next video, we'll begin working with grouping.